morning, everybody. It's Amy from Swisher Family Farm. I'm here again in the garden today, and one of the things I noticed is some of our lettuce and spinach and Swiss chard that we planted several weeks ago is really not coming up very well. So we do have some of the sandy loam soil left over that we had, that we had the slinger truck come out that you saw in a previous video. That was very cool. And it filled all of our garden beds. We do have some dirt left over, which was our intent. And so we're going to disturb the dirt around the lettuce and then add some of the sandy loam to it, because it's a mixture of sand and topsoil and cow manure. And so we're hoping that the nitrogen from the cow manure will help kickstart the growth of our lettuce, because it's been planted long enough that we should be harvesting it now. One of the things I noticed in that bed, which is one of the first beds that we did because it's in the outside perimeter beds, the soil that's in there is 2 years old. We did amend it before we started planting, but I also noticed that it is kind of compact in there. So we're gonna disturb the dirt and then add some of the sandy loam that we have left over. We're going to see what that does to kickstart it. So I'm going to get started. I've gone through and I've disturbed the dirt around the lettuce and the spinach and the Swiss chard that we have. And it's been about a week now, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. You can see in the video the plants are very small. The plants are just not growing very much, and like I said, they've been in the ground, some of them long enough to harvest, and we're just not getting the crop that we wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how well it's done, and so you can see what we did. So here you can see, compared to what it was, look at the Swiss chard coming up, and then our mesclun mix, which has some of the spicier lettuces in it, like arugula and radicchio. It is very good. Those things are now booming. So this is about a week later than what you saw in the video just a few minutes ago, and dressing it with that topsoil really helped, and it is just going crazy. So I want to thank you again for hanging out with me here at Swisher Family Farm, and seeing our garden trials and tribulations and failures and successes. And we're not experts, master gardeners, but we do enjoy what we do, and I like to come out here early in the morning because it's kind of therapeutic before I go to work all day. And so that's it. Adding that topsoil and cow manure to the area around the lettuce really helped to stimulate its growth, and so I expect we'll be harvesting some very shortly, and be able to have some salads from stuff out of our own garden. So that's very exciting. So I want to thank you again for stopping by, and please hit that subscribe button on your way out. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like our content and want to see more, hit the notification bell so that you can receive a notification when we post new videos. Thanks again for stopping by. Have a great day.